Welcome to EduRev.
Oh my god, what happened to this milk? Oh, looks like it has got spoiled. In your daily life, you must be encountering many instances in which you would see that the nature and identity of the initial substance has changed. You may perhaps be wondering what has really happened. Come, let us together explore the fascinating journey of understanding chemical reactions and equations. In this video, we will look at some daily life examples, understand what is a chemical reaction, and perform laboratory activities to find an answer to your questions. Iron exposed to humidity. Cooking food. Respiration process. Digestion of food. When iron is exposed to humidity, it gets rusted. When we cook food, due to the heat, there is a chemical change taking place in the food, resulting in change in the chemical composition of the food. When we inhale, we take in O2 and expel CO2, and in the process, energy is produced. In case of digestion, as soon as we eat food, an enzyme in your saliva starts breaking down the food into simpler forms which can be absorbed by your body. In all these cases, we will observe that the matter has undergone a change. The milk, if you recall, had got spoiled as it was kept at room temperature for a long time. This happens mostly during summers, when it is generally very hot. A chemical reaction is thus when there is a change in chemical composition of one or more substances in which the reactants are converted into one or more different products. This results in rearranging the constituent atoms of the reactants. Now, you must be wondering, how do we come to know that a chemical reaction has taken place? Come, let's together perform some activities to find an answer to your questions. Word of caution. Perform these activities under the guidance of your teacher, and it is advisable to wear suitable eyeglasses. Okay, are we ready to perform activity 1? Take a magnesium ribbon about 3 to 4 centimeters long, rub and clean it with a sandpaper. Hold it with a pair of tongs. Burn it using a spirit lamp or burner. Note, keep the ribbon far away from your naked eyes. Oh, look, what's happening here? Can you see some ashes falling? Let us collect it on a watch glass. Where did the magnesium ribbon vanish? Magnesium ribbon, when exposed to fire, changed into a white powder. This powder is of magnesium oxide and is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. Let's move on to activity 2. In a test tube, take lead nitrate solution and to that add potassium iodide solution. What do you see? Did you see a yellow color precipitate? What could that be? Oh, looks like it is due to the formation of lead iodide. Exciting, isn't it? Are we ready for activity 3? In a conical flask or a test tube, take some zinc granules. Add dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid to this. Caution, handle the acid with care. Do you observe something happening around the zinc granules? Can you touch the conical flask or test tube? Is there any change in its temperature? Do you feel the heat? The zinc granules react with sulfuric or hydrochloric acid, resulting in zinc sulfate or zinc chloride, releasing hydrogen gas. So, how can we conclude that a substance has undergone a chemical reaction? A substance has undergone a chemical reaction when there is a change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature. Now, You have come to the end of this video. Let's have a quick recap of what you have learned so far. Looked at some daily life examples and noticed the matter has undergone a change. Defined a chemical reaction. Performed some laboratory activities. Derived conclusions on chemical reaction having taken place. Hope we are now clear on these concepts. Now that you have understood what is a chemical reaction, you might want to verify your understanding of the concept and revise the chapter. You can attempt tests, see videos, and read documents through our EduRev Infinity program. We have 800 plus videos, 2500 plus documents, 6000 plus questions across subjects waiting for you to practice and master the concept. With EduRev Infinity, you can access every primary subject of your class. Thanks for watching.